Today's the day. My cookbooks. I can't wait. Wow. It's gorgeous. So exciting. Pictures. We've got pictures. It smells yummy. My baby. Want to look inside? I do. Table of contents, of course. It starts with lots of information about diabetes, just the basics. And then we get into lots of tips and checklists and more tips and some very, very easy recipes, some menu choices, and then all of the recipes, way over 100 recipes in every category possible. And I throw in tons of tips throughout. So you can just kind of even read the cookbook even before you start cooking from it. And in the center, you'll see some beautiful photos. Hope you guys check it out.